Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you beautiful seashell crafts ideas. So I hope viewers you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is reverse. So viewers, if you love sea, you collect seashells from the beach and don't know what to do with them, don't throw them away. With a little creative, you can turn them into beautiful home decor, gifts, decoration, and even beautiful items. Seashell candle holder. Our first idea is a beautiful seashell candle holder. For this craft, choose a large and strong seashells. Clean it carefully and make sure it is completely dry. Now place a small candles inside the shells. You can also add tiny stones for decorative scent around it. When the candle is lit, the shell creates a warm and relaxing feeling. This decoration is perfect for a bedroom, bathroom, balcony, or summer table. It's give your home a beautiful beach-inspired look without spending a lot of money. Seashell photo. Take a simple photo frame and decorate the edges with seashell. You can choose seashells of different size to create an interesting design. Add a few small pearl or little star-shaped decoration between the shells. From a more natural look, you can leave the seashell in their original color. And weavers. If you prefer something more colorful, paint some of them white, blue, pink, or gold. Add your favorite photo and your simple frame become a beautiful coaster decoration. This can also make a lovely handmade gift for family and friends. I hope you are enjoying my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, so friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So Allah Hafiz. Viewers.